Share Patra.
Disclaimer: this document is prepared for informational and educational purposes only. All views expressed here are personal opinions and should not be considered as financial advice, investment recommendations, or trading signals. The information included may not be complete or fully up to date. Readers should conduct their own due diligence and consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The author holds no liability for any financial loss that may result from decisions based on this summary. NEPSE Daily Market Summary, August 24, 2025. Market Overview. The NEPSE benchmark fell 18.02 points, minus 0.65%, to 2,739.95, extending a three-day losing streak. Despite the decline, turnover was robust, around NPR 6.5 minus 6.54 billion, signaling active participation even as prices eased. Breadth was weak, roughly 41 gainers vs 208 decliners, reflecting broad selling across the board. Indices and sector tone. Most major gauges slipped in tandem with the benchmark. The sensitive index closed at approximately 471.19, minus 0.64%, while float and sensitive float were down approximately 0.7%. Sector prints showed banking under pressure, about minus 0.9%, with weakness also visible across several others, underscoring a market-wide risk-off tilt rather than a single sector story. Liquidity and leadership. Turnover was relatively concentrated in a handful of large, liquid names, notably, Himalayan Distillery, HDL, topped the turnover table. Heavy trading in leaders on a down day often indicates institutional de-risking or profit-taking rather than a purely retail-driven move. Top movers. On the upside, Bikash Hydropower, BHCL, hit the day's gainer list, near the plus 9.99% band, while Samuday Eichler Huberta, SLBSL, and some fixed income, debenture lines also featured among notable risers, suggesting selective risk rotation and some haven-seeking in higher yield instruments. On the downside, a mix of hydro, microfinance, and hotels populated the loser board, consistent with broad-based selling rather than a single theme unraveling. Context and catalysts. Two headlines framed sentiment. 1. The Nepal Rashtra Bank's annual macro financial report, FY 2024-25, hit the tape over the weekend, giving investors fresh macro context, and 2. CDSC flagged temporary disruptions to Mero share and CASBA services on August 24, minor operational news, but it kept settlement flow topics in focus. Neither item materially altered the day's direction, but both were part of the backdrop for active turnover. Technical view, levels to watch. With the index finishing 2,739.95, the market is hovering just above a near-term demand pocket around 2,720 to 2,700. Losing that zone on closing basis could open a test toward the mid-2600s. On the top side, 2,775 to 2,800 is first resistance, last week's rebound high, where sellers previously re-emerged. Until price reclaims that band on strong breadth and greater than 6 billion Nepalese rupees turnover, rallies may face supply. Outlook for today, Monday, August 25, pre-open. Given Friday's modest UPTICK and Sunday's push lower on healthy liquidity, the near-term tape skews cautious sideways. Buyers are active, but they're demanding better prices. Watch whether turnover stays near or above till the 6 billion Nepalese rupees and whether banking stabilizes. Those two tells would improve odds of a bounce toward 2,775 plus. Conversely, another broad breadth down day would keep the focus on 2,720 support. If you found this update helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you more timely and insightful updates on the NEPSE market and financial trends in Nepal.